Hello students. So in this lecture I am going to discuss about the dice, right? So dice is what my type of a cube with the markings on each of its faces, right? And there are certain rules which are very useful to solve the sums based on the dice, right? Now first of all we are seeing basic types of the dice, right? So there are two basic types of the dice are there, and standard die and normal die, ordinary die, right? Standard dice means what ma? Sum of opposite faces equal to how much? We have to get 7 on, right? Sum of opposite face values, right? Opposite face values, faces equal to 7 we have to get, that is the standard die. And ordinary die means what ma here? And sum of adjacent face values, right? So adjacent face value is equal to, we have to get 7 equal to 7, that is the ordinary die only. So now in cube case generally what is there ma here? So how many edges are there, how many faces are there, how many corners are there, we'll check it, right? Edges means what ma here? This boundary lines na. So how many edges are there here? If I take this top what ma square, there are 4 edges are there in top, 4 edges are there, right? In top, and back also, bottom also what ma 4 edges are there na here. It is one edge, it is one edge, and it is one edge. So sides we can call in squares case, right? 4 are there, and here this is slanting lines are there na, laterals type, right? So this how many are there here, we'll check it. So how many ma? 8 already completed, 9 and 10, and here 11, and here at 12, right? So totally 12 edges are there, right? 12 edges are there in cube case. So number of edges in a cube equal to how much ma here? We got it as 12, right? And number of faces how many are there, right? We'll check it once. And here, and front, back, one, two faces, and left, na, two faces are there, and totally 6 faces are there here. And corners, how many corners are there, how many vertices are there, we'll check it, right? So how many corners are there in front view? 4 corners are there. In back view also 4 corners are there, 8 corners in total, right? So what is the relation between these two things here? So in any cube also, so edges equal to how much ma? Edges plus 2 equal to faces plus corners we can take it, right? Faces plus vertices we can take it, right? So here vertex is, it is the vertex on, right? So vertex is plus what ma? Faces equal to how much? We'll get edges plus 2 will get for any this type of cube case, right? This is a basic empirical formula in cube case. So now we'll check it once, right? Now we'll see the questions based on this model. It is simple thing only. So which of the following is what my opposite number to the 4 in a standard die they are asking, right? It is a standard die. Sum of opposite face values how much ma? We have to get 7, and already 4 is there, 4 plus 3 is 7, na? This is the correct option, right? Now two opposite faces cannot be adjacent to one another, we know that, right? So I am taking two different positions of the die. One die, two different positions are given. Only by observing normally 6 is only one common face to them, right? So to 6 how many adjacent faces are there, we'll check it once, right? So to the 6, so which are the adjacent faces to the 6 here, we'll check it once. So these are adjacent faces on, right? So adjacent faces for the 6 equal to how much ma? So 4 is one adjacent face, and next one 3 one adjacent face on one die, and 2 is adjacent face, and 5 is adjacent face na here. Now which is opposite to 6 value? Only one face is missing here. So opposite face to the 6 equal to how much ma? 1 now, right? And similarly when two dice contains what ma? Only one face is a common. In such case to the 6 which is the clockwise to that particular thing, that face we can check it, right? To the 6 clockwise face is equal to how much ma? 4 only. Here also to the 6 clockwise face equal to how much ma? 2, and 4 2 also opposite here, right? These two also opposite here. And next one 6 anti-clockwise equal to how much ma? Here face value how much? 3 only. And 6 anti-clock face value how much ma? 5. And 3 and 5 also opposite face on, right? So in this way we can check it, right? So two opposite faces cannot be adjacent to each other. Based on this logic, we found the opposite faces to this particular thing. Now see one more question here. So two positions of the cube with its surface are shown below. So when the surface A touches the bottom, then what surface will be the top? They are asking like that. And see here also, if I am taking this two dice contains only one common face, right? So D is the common face here. So D I can take it, right? But the adjacent face set to the D, we can check it once, right? So adjacent face value set to the D, right? So adjacent face is set to D equal to how much here, and CB are the adjacent faces here, and EF also adjacent face, right? So these are adjacent faces, and here A also one more face here. A is missing here, na? A definitely not adjacent here. Four adjacent faces are there. One is opposite face for every face, na, here, and A is opposite face to that particular thing. When A is the bottom, then which is the opposite here? Top. D on, right? Your option is what, ma? Option number D on, right? Now see here also. So it is the what, ma? Dice. They are making like a splitting, right? And see here, after cutting a die, so it's the expansion form of the die only here, unfolded form of, na? So of the die. Now we'll check it here. Which of the following will be the opposite to the what, ma? Face at D? They are asking like that. And see here, and A and D are opposite on, right? And to see, so A what, ma? A, B, D are opposite here, and it's a C case. It's what, ma? Opposite face equal to how much, ma? Here automatically these are adjacent on, right? And A and D are opposite here, and C and E also opposite on, right? C and E and also opposite here, and B and F also opposite on, right? B and F are opposite on. A and D are opposite here, C and E are opposite here, and B and F are opposite on, right? So for every die, adjacent cannot be opposite, na? We can go in that way. C, if I am taking C case, A, B, D are what, ma? Adjacent faces to that particular die here, right? And opposite value how much? Automatically will get E. We can't get F. F is also movable on, right? Here. So C are opposite only. And similarly A also we can check it like that. In that fashion we can try. Okay, these are the opposite. Alternate faces we can take here are opposite on, right? Clear, ma? So alternate faces are opposite on. Now we got which of the following is opposite to D they are asking. We'll get A only. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? So here what, ma? They are asking number of cubes in the given figure, right? They are asking like that. Now if I am taking here, there are what, ma? Some columns are there with one cube in each column, na, here, and this column, so these are contains one cube in this column, so, right? So how many columns are there in one cube in those columns here? So 1 into 3, so 3 cubes are there here, na? And there are two columns are there with two cubes in each column, na, here. This contains 2 cubes here, it is also contains 2 cubes only, and 2 into 2 will write it here. And there is one column here, there are 3 cubes in that each column, right? So 1 into 3 will get it, right? And total number of cubes in this total figure equal to how much, ma? So 3 plus 4 plus 3 on, right? And totally we'll get it that 10 on, right? So 10 is the correct. And see this one, and one more rule on the cubes, right? One more rule number 2, will check it once, right? If two different positions of the dice are shown here, and two positions having what, ma? So two common faces, right? Two positions having different positions having two common faces, then remaining faces are will be what, ma? Opposite to each other on, right? And see here a dice is rolled twice, and two positions are shown in the figure below. What number of dots at the bottom face of the dice is shown in the figure number 1? They are asking like that. And we'll check it here also once, and we are observing here, right? And if I'm seeing normally, so here 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots in first die, and here also what, my here 2, 1, 5 dots are there. Only two different positions are there here. Only one face is the common face, not 2 is the common face, right? So 2 is the common face here, It is a common face, right? For 2, what are adjacent faces are to 2 here? Adjacent faces we are looking. So adjacent faces are to the 2, right? So equal to how much, ma'am? Here we are getting a 3, 5, 1, 4 we got, na? So 1, 4 we got, right? Now we'll check it. Now remaining one face is opposite, that is a 6 ohm, right? So what they are asking here, what is the bottom face for the bottom face of the dice? Position number 2 only they are asking, and 2 opposite faces what, 6 only. No need to go for further investigation, clockwise, anti-clockwise, that is not required here, right? Clear, ma? So that in that way we can check it, right? And see here also what should be the number opposite to the 4 they are asking, right? And we'll check it, different positions of the dice are there. And here what, in this dice case, and if I'm taking 1 and 3, right? So two different positions case, two faces are common, and remaining faces are opposite to each other, and 2 and 5 are what, opposite to each other, right? Next one we'll take second one, third one. If I take it, what is there, here only one face is the common one, right? If I take second one, third one, only one face is the common here, that is what, 3 on, right? So two different positions are there, only one face is the common, and remaining are adjacent, 3 adjacent face equal to how much, here we can see like that, right? For every face, adjacent face are what, here 1 5 here, and 2 1 5 2 for our adjacent face for 3, and what the opposite face to 3, here we'll get 6 on, right? Next one, 1 5 3 6 is matching, and left out is here what, so 1 is left out, and also 4 is left out, and 1 and 4 also opposite on. What they are asking here, find the number which is opposite face to the 4 they are asking. Opposite face to the 4 equal to how much, we'll get option B 1, right? And see here also in this diagram, so which letter will appear opposite to the letter D they are asking. So different positions of the dice are given here, and first one we can compare it, right? First two positions contains what, so how many letters are common? E and C are common, first two things, na? Now automatically remaining positions are opposite to each other only. A and D are opposite on, right? When two different positions are common, remaining positions are opposite to each other on. And similarly I am taking here uh, second die, second position, third position we can compare it, right? And here what the common, D common, C common, na? Then automatically BE are opposite on, right? BE are opposite, and what is left out here? C is left out, F is left out, right? C and F also opposite to each other on automatically, right? Now we'll see that which letter will appear opposite to the D they are asking. A only, that is option number A on, right? So these are simple questions only, we can solve the questions very easily, right? And see next question here. So unfolded die given here. In this die case what, here alternate positions are opposite in one column, na? These two are opposite only. 1 6 also opposite, 5 3 also opposite, 2 4 opposite here, 1 6 opposite, and 5 3 are opposite on, right? And we'll check it once. So if I'm taking first thing, so 1 3 6 given here, 1 3 6, na? So opposite positions not there in adjacent here anywhere, na? So what, so anywhere opposite positions adjacents are there, we'll check it. 5 3 are adjacent here, but these are opposite, na? This is not correct option, right? And here 2 4 opposite actually, but adjacently given, and it is not correct option, right? And here what, next one, anything is there? So 2 4 not there, 1 6 not there, 5 3 1 6, 1 6 is there in the first die here. 1 6 are opposite actually, but adjacently given, it is also not correct option. Your option is what, 1 3 4 we can get it, right? 1 3 4 are what, adjacent faces on, right? It is the meaning of it, we'll get it, right? And see next question here in this part. So it is unfolded die given. We'll check it here. And dart what ma? This a dark place is a so dart and empty space, dark space is are opposite to each other on, right? And plus symbol and dark space also opposite to each other. And triangle, the rhombus also what ma opposite to each other on, right? That's the given. Now we'll check it, right? And here triangle, these two are also opposite to each other on, right? These two are opposite on. Now we'll check it which of the following is the correct thing, right? Here, and according to the first option, dot empty space is opposite only, plus and empty space also opposite, and triangle and rhombus also opposite. These two are opposite, cannot be adjacent. No, this is not correct option, right? And see B option also here. In B option also, what is there, ma? So triangle dot plus, right? So triangle dot plus are adjacent to each other, right? So these are adjacent only, but clockwise anti-clockwise we can check it when it is not cancelling out finally, right? And third option also we'll check it once. So triangle dot plus are adjacent only, so that second option or third option also matching, right? Adjacent conditions case on, right? Now if I am going for last one, fourth one, so triangle so dot rhombus are adjacent to each other, so triangle rhombus both are opposite to each other, it is not correct option, right? And now we'll check it once, right? So when compared to plus mark, so this is what ma when compared to plus sign, and dot is what ma anti-clockwise to that position, na? So dot anti what ma plus anti-clockwise direction is what we need to get a dot on, right? Plus anti-clockwise direction we can get a dot on, right? And plus clockwise direction we can get the triangle, na? Plus clockwise direction we'll get the triangle, but here situation different, so that it is not, it is a matching, it is not matching on, right? Your option is what ma option number B on, right? We can solve the question very easily, right? And see here also, so three different positions of the dice are given, which are what ma here correct figure, right? They are asking here, we'll check it once, right? If I'm taking first position, second position, so only one face is the common, na? So two adjacent positions equal to how much ma? Adjacent to 2, so what are there here adjacent positions? 4 6 1 3 is there, na? Adjacent faces to the 2 on, right? So what ma 4 adjacent faces to 2, 4 6 1 3 is there, and opposite value how much automatically, so 2 opposite number is a 5 on, right? So where 2 opposite number 5 is there, so 2 opposite number 1 given here, it is not correct option. And here what ma, so 2 opposite number 6 given, not correct option. And 2 5 the here opposite only, and 6 1 opposite, 4 3 opposite given, and 2 and 5 are opposite here, right? And here also 2 and 4 opposite given, it is not correct option. Your option is what ma option number C on, right? So we'll go in that way on, right? And see here also, so which letter is opposite to R they are asking here, right? And we'll check it once. If I'm taking SRT value, right? SRT with S and T, S and P are what ma adjacent letters only. I can write my P here also, right? So P and Q I can write here, R will get here, U will get here, right? So your die will convert into this particular format, right? Clear ma? Your die will convert into this particular form. So we can get into this particular format. Now I am taking S only. So SRT, SP are what ma adjacent on, right? So I am taking SP, SRT already that format only. SP is adjacent na here. That is also what ma here for S. This is what ma here which direction? So anti-clockwise direction only. So we can take anti-clockwise direction. That's it, right? We are getting die in this format. Now we'll check it once, right? So which letter opposite to R they are asking? These two are movable only, equal space, na? Left and right are movable type, right? S and U are what ma opposite to each other on, right? So here QS are opposite, PT are opposite, alright. So we can get in this format, R and U are opposite, your option is what? Option number D, alright. So in this way we can solve the questions when dice are given normally.